I received this box here from Snoremeds through USPS first class mail, and I'm about to open it up. It was a 2-day ship, and I ordered it online. So what we have. Thank you for your order. Your order was placed April 12th. Original single pack for men. That's the receipt. Packaging. All we have here is a Snoremeds Snoring Mouthpiece solution. There you go. First thing we have here is a spatula, which we're going to use when we shape the appliance by inserting it into hot water and inserting it into my mouth to make the impression. We have here instructions, and finally, of course, we have the appliance. It comes in a case. The appliance is clear. We're going to let me first remove the spatula. We're going to insert it into the grooves here, and we're going to bubble up some hot water, stick it in, and then remove it. I'll make the impression. Thank you.